Oh yeah, definitely. Yes. That's like I said, if person been in so many years in pain, don't try to help him right away. That's what right they say. You don't dig in there. Step by step, step by step. You can heal the person in one session, and that's what the people.
Even some people don't
Yeah.
like you touch them. So okay, I had a lot of pain here. It's a long time. Please don't touch that part. Don't touch. Yeah, exactly.
Really?
Please don't do anything there.
Yeah.
They scare them. Yeah, so please, just keep it drugged.
So Marina just said she have a client who have a pain in the shoulder, but he said don't touch it because it's pain up there. And I would say,
Sorry, doing
I w-
relaxing massage.
no, yeah, I would say
Because
I would do simple touch. It's kind of like maybe even like a Reiki in this area. I will apply and I ask him to move with me. Just move because he don't move it. That's why he have a pain. I ask people to move. I will show you very cool technique. I learned this today. So we continue a little bit class. Let me just put this away. I'll show you how I did work on that. David, can you bring that bowl behind you, like blue bowl? Blue, yeah. So who wants to try that one? David? All right, fine. David, lay down. Good, good for the, no, just lay down like this. I'm gonna change the sheet anyway. Face down, face down. This bowl is really cool stuff. I always keep it in my room, so it's always there. If I work on the hip, if I work on the shoulder, like person come in with a shoulder pain. What I'm doing here, he can't move. What I'm doing, I get that bowl, place right on that shoulder, and ask him to push it down a little bit. Here we go, just like that. So you see the bowl is giving a little bit more space right now. Okay, let me show you here. So what I'm doing here, I'm apply. Yeah, I'm supposed to be on that side, but anyway. Yeah, so what I'm asking you to do, David, I ask him to start moving that shoulder, maybe push down, relax. And at the same time, I grab that scapula and I start moving around. Yes, you feel that? So the bowl is helping me. Sometimes, like therapists, I saw they come with the arm and lift it up that shoulder. You don't need to anymore. Let me stay this way. Yeah. So remember this, I come in with the arm, lift it up, and I work on that scapula. Now I don't need it. The bowl is going to help me out. So I'm going to exactly ask him to rotate in and out, like reach forward. Hold on, like this. Push against, and see how they feel. How's it feel with the bowl? Yeah, he's moving around, right? So always get that bowl. Why not? See? Yeah, here we go. Look at that. He's moving around. I help him to move, mobilize that shoulder, slide. Same with the hip, right? Remember? Let me let it go. So if we have one side is unbalanced, let's say that the pelvis is rotated. What I'm going to do, I'm going to place that bowl under the hip. And what I ask him to do, I ask him to push that hip down. What's going to happen? Exactly. He's going to reactivate. If he pushed here, the whole pelvis is rotated. So let me get, here we go, just like that. Here we go. And what I can do here, watch. I can come up here. I can work on that SI joint that mobilize that hip. I can come in up here. I can do number 4. You see the bowl is there. This is really tight hip flexors you have, my friend. Jesus, look at that. How do you know? Look at that space. Look at that space. How do I know? So I'm going to release that, lift it up. So I put the bowl. Now he's rolling. And I ask him to push down. He can do himself. And I can work on that. All those exercises. I can bring it up here. Pull it up. I can use the band. I can grab the band. Can you grab me a band, please? The short band, short. The black one right there. Oh, yellow. Yeah. So you see, this tool is going to help you. That's fine. So David, he have always hip problem. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to teach him to move this way, right? Move away. Now go ahead to be on your own. You see, I pull the band and slowly, I want you to control the motion. I want you to slow come back. You see, he's doing that. Hamstring. Sure, right here, lower down, up and down. This is what he's doing. You see, he put I'm activate hamstring more. Now I can lean. This way I'm probably gonna jam in the, yeah, here we go. Just like that. You see? You feel that more in your hamstring?
Yeah.
Exactly. So I can play around. I can come in up here. I can do external, internal, like, so now I'm doing this way. So now go towards the midline. He's working that one. Look, gluteus is working. Here we go, right there. Mobilize that hip. Yeah. Working on its internal rotation and external rotation at the same time. Bring it more outside, right in here. So you see, he start from here. Look, it's also working on that sacrum base too. This is great tool. Always have those bands, like a smaller ball. This is probably a little bit bigger. But like I said, put under the shoulder, ask people to do movements. If the people lay down like this and you just doing that, it's not gonna help a lot. But if people move through the movements, they understand what's the problem and the brain start reactivate and make that part of the body work. And that's the key. Okay? I'm done.